2019 was a busy year for the Mississippi Department of Transportation in central Mississippi. From critical bridge replacement projects to unprecedented flooding in the Mississippi Delta, the central part of the state really saw it all. Beyond the typical flash floods from heavy rainfall, MDOT crews dealt with several types of flooding issues this year, including Mississippi River backwater flooding, Yazoo River flooding, and Still Bayou backwater flooding. MDOT crews worked tirelessly to monitor flood conditions and coordinate with local officials to assess road closures in affected areas. As floodwaters receded, crews worked to safely reconnect people in the Eagle Lake community. MDOT maintenance forces cleared hazardous debris from dozens of miles of roadway. Although flood-related damage was found, it was less severe than expected. In May, MDOT crews replaced 2 bridges across the Ross Burnett Reservoir on State Route 43 in Madison County. This project was completed ahead of schedule. In October, a critical bridge rehab project on the I-20 bridge over Lynch Creek in Hinds County called for a complete shutdown of Interstate 20 for 10 total days. This stretch of interstate carries an average of 93,000 vehicles a day. The project was completed 3 days ahead of schedule. The major U.S. Highway 49 improvement project in Rankin County made progress throughout 2019. The project calls for the reconstruction and widening of approximately 7.5 miles of U.S. 49, one of the most heavily traveled corridors in the state. Although the primary purpose of the project is pavement rehab, the traveling public will have an added benefit of another lane in each direction. Once complete, the project will provide an improved travel experience and increase efficiency for commercial motor vehicles moving goods and services throughout the region. As you can see, 2019 was a busy and successful year for MDOT, and 2020 looks to be filled with new opportunities for even greater things.